This is the ultimate edger, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to use and the cool edges and patterns you can make with it. Hi, Marie here from Pottery Crafters. On this channel I show a lot of fun pottery making videos with tips, tools, and techniques for the beginner potter and the experienced ones. At any point in this video you can hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, or both. Let's get dirty. Before I found the ultimate edger, the tops and bottoms of my pieces didn't look very good. This is a great little multi-tool for the beginner potter and the potter that's been around for a while. At first glance, it looks a little complicated, and I wondered where in the world all these little grooves would go on my pottery. Once they were all shown to me, this edger quickly became one of my favorite tools. The cool part about this tool is all the different things you can do with it. There are 6 different edges here, A through F, and I'm going to run through all of them. This part is A, called the double edge. It makes a nice double edge on the bottom of your piece, like this. The edger works best if you don't go straight into the clay. Placing the edger on the angle as you go into the clay will lessen the chance of marking up your piece. This. And you can even smooth it out up here if you like, or leave it. I love how it makes the smaller top and then the little larger top at the bottom, thus creating a nice design and forms a nice lip that's great for glazing. This is like a little safety ledge for beginners and runny clays. B and D are called the lip edges. They're used to smooth out the lip of your pots. Having this shape on both sides is very useful. Depending on how your pottery is shaped and where you want to place the edger, you can flip it around so it doesn't hit other parts of your pottery, like this. See how nice and smooth that is? Beautiful. Makes a nice smooth lip every time. C is the top part of the edger, called the raised design edge. It's used to make a raised design on the lid of your pot, like this. We're going on an angle. It's a cool design. Now if you like, you can actually make 2. Just smooth this out a little bit and make another one. Can clean that up later. Make it a little smoother. There we go. Yes! I love this edger. There. Now you have a cool design. E is the single edge. This creates a nice single edge on the bottom of your pottery, like this. This is actually one of my favorite edges. I use this a lot. Again, I like how it makes the edge so the glaze doesn't drip over. It's like same as the A, but E is just a bit bigger, and you can use it for bigger pots also. Like this, or mugs. I use it on a lot of mugs. It's pretty cool. I like it. So nice that is. Looks great. I used it on this one also, in this mug. F is on the bottom, called the large edge. It works great on large pieces of pottery. It easily puts a nice lip on the rim, like this. Now you can use it this way or this way. It doesn't matter. Whichever way you prefer and whichever type of lip that you want to create. I'm going to go on the outside with this and go in on an angle. Just make sure you go in on an angle. Here we go. See, created a nice lip. Oops. Brush that away because it's only clay. Works so nice. Oops. Now you have a nice pot right there. If you combine the B and C edges, you can create a really cool decorative design on the top of your knob. Like this. Going on the side. There we go. Always make sure you go in on an angle. Like that. Now you can always add a little bit of water with your sponge and go over it again if you like, or leave it like this. It looks pretty cool, but if you want to do it one more time to get that nice edge. That's pretty cool. I love the design. It really helps when you're a beginner or a professional. It's pretty cool either way. I love it. Another cool thing you can do with the edger is by using the tip of E, the single edge, to split the rim. Use your thumb and index finger to gently guide the clay, then place your hand on top of your left hand and slowly guide the edger in the middle of the rim, like this. Don't move. Yay! When you use your thumb and index finger as a guide, you will always keep the clay in one place. So it works for me every single time. I just love the pattern it makes on the top and how the glaze is going to catch on the top. Like this. And the glaze just pools right in there. I love that look. And you can create it too with the Ultimate Edger. It's great to have all these choices on a single tool. That's why the Ultimate Edger really is one of my go-to tools. If you like to throw a little bigger, thicker pieces, the Ultimate Edger also comes in a larger size. In this video, I showed how easy this Ultimate Edger is to use and different ways you can use it. I'll bet you can come up with a few yourself. If you have any recommendations for any other tips or small items to make, definitely post those in the comments section below. Some of the best tips and feedback come from you. Thanks for checking out this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for other videos from pottery crafters in the future. Keep making that beautiful pottery. And remember, the motto here at Pottery Crafters is progress over perfection.